Thank you for clicking, and if you're new here, thank you for welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make skin lightening African black soap. And to make this soap, just require 3 ingredients. Yeah, simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. So to begin with, we are going to need African black soap. So African black soap, it's very good for your skin. It is safe for all skin types. It is antibacterial, helps fight acne, and it may also help to reduce fine lines. The next ingredient we are going to need is turmeric. Turmeric is very nice for skin lightening. It lightens the hyperpigmentation, reduces dark circles. So the next ingredient is our honey. So the honey acts like a humectant, so it draws in moisture into our skin. And the next ingredient is the goat milk. So the goat milk is very nice for the skin whitening. It naturally exfoliates our skin, right? So if you don't have this one, you can use the rice powder. Yeah, so the next ingredient we are going to need our coconut oil. So coconut oil is a very good moisturizer. Also, it's very nice for your skin. Yeah, so and then we are going to need a container where we are going to keep our soap. So it's just very simple. The ingredients, you can find them in your kitchen. So so let's start making this lightening black soap. This soap is going to be good for skin lightening, and you're going to make your skin look flawless and glowy. So let's begin. So to start with, we are going to break this soap into smaller pieces so that it can incorporate all the ingredients and it can melt easily. So we're going to break it into the small pieces. So this soap is 250 grams. So just going to break it into very small pieces. And then we are going to add our honey. So for this one, I used like was it 100 grams? I used 60 grams of honey. So I used 60 grams of honey. So as I said, honey is going to act as a humectant. It draws in moisture into the skin, and it is also very good for the skin. It fights acne and breakouts, so it's very nice for the skin. It also lightens scars and hyperpigmentation. So we are going to mix that very well, so that it can mix very well. So then after we're done mixing, we are going just to add the other ingredients. So we are going to add our turmeric. So our turmeric will be like our brightening agent. So this one is very good to help your skin. It lightens hyperpigmentation. It reduces dark circles. It prevents, to be very nice for your skin. So it's going to be like our main agent. So the next we're going to add is goat milk powder. So if you don't have goat milk powder, you can skip it, or you can add rice powder or rice flour. It will work as the same, but if you don't have, you can skip them. You just use whatever you have. So the next ingredient, I'm going to put coconut oil. For the coconut oil, you don't need to put too much oil so that it will reduce the lather of black soap. So you just need a little bit. So after that, you're going to use our hands to mix this soap together, to mix all the ingredients together. And as you can see, our soap has already like melted. And it has nice consistency. So I'm going then put it into a container. Yeah, and this is it. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple, and it's also very nice for your skin. This is something that you can do at home. Yeah, so so black soap is very like harsh for the skin, like it is drying for the skin, but if you use it like this one, oh, you're going to love it. It's very nice. It's going to be very nice. It's going to be very moisturizing for your skin. Yeah, so I hope you can try this, guys. So and also you can put other powders, like you can put neem powder, you can put sandalwood powder, you can put anything that you want. You can put moringa powder, anything that you want you can put into this African black soap that you can, yeah, you can DIY your own black soap. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so let me know if you try. Let me know how it turned out, and let me know how it feels into your skin. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.